Remember those awful days when I used to get hay fever? It was rough, but all that changed when my peeps finally got in touch with Prestige Lawns, and they really sorted us out. With Prestige Lawns premium artificial grass, I get to be the king of my castle and no sniffles. And it stays green all year round without the need for water or mowing. They have a wide range of top-notch artificial grass, and their team of experts made sure it was installed perfectly. It's just like the real thing. So easy, just click the link on this post. Now I've got a whole new problem. All the dogs round here just want to play in my garden. Still, it's not all bad news. Hey Fifi, could you replenish my glass with another one of your famous pina coladas, darling? It's a hard life, but someone's got to do it.
Club Tropicana drinks are free. Fun and sunshine, there's enough for everyone.
Come sit next to me, Fifi, VIP.